Hello, mommy.
Move here.
I was thinking about the song.
Okay. What do you want?
But this umbrella, when it's raining, you'll open it like this.
And
So
then?
I'll tell you it later.
Okay.
So, please let me. Can we play some games?
Play some games. No, you just sing.
Why?
I want you to sing. Come on. Come on, do it. Come on, you can do it.
I'll just sing about.
How about song about the... Let me think.
Flowers?
Flowers, okay. You want to make your own song?
Yeah.
Okay, go.
Flower, oh flowers, please do grow your mind.
Grow your mind.
Hello, flowers, you are very beautiful. Flowers, oh flowers, flowers, oh flowers, you are very beautiful. When the sun shines you will grow very tall. I, flowers be grown. Thank you.
Wow, that's great. Thank
Bye-bye.
you. Bye, everyone.